Hey y'all, so I was actually getting ready to film some videos before I go to San Francisco because I literally just got back from Chicago a few days ago. Yeah, it's the 17th now and I go to San Francisco tomorrow, so I'm just trying to like have some videos to post while I'm gone because I won't be back till like June something. So yeah, I've already done some of my face makeup and I'm just thinking about answering a few questions that I asked for a while ago that I forgot about. But yeah, I primed with Milk Hydro Grip. Foundation is Morphe Fluidity in F2.50 and concealer is Fenty in 210 and my color corrector was Koki Be Bright and Peach. So yeah, I guess I'll just continue. This is Matchsticks and Truffle. So the first question I'll answer is, in the future, would you ever get married and have children? Probably not. One, I've never wanted children ever like in my life, and I still don't. And I don't want to get married either. Also, I don't think I'm gonna live. Oh shit. I don't think I'm gonna live that much longer, if we're being honest. That probably sounds crazy, but yeah, I've just always felt that way. And I'm pretty, oh my god, this looks terrible. I'm pretty old right now. I might not be for some people, but I feel old and I feel like my time is coming soon. Oh my god, y'all gonna think I'm crazy, but I am, but it's fine. But yeah, to answer that question, no. Next question, have you ever considered moving away from your twin? No. We both have no money. And I know some people hate when I say that, but it's the truth. Yes, I spend my money on things that I shouldn't, but that's my life. Like, I'm not affecting anyone else. So yeah, I really would rather keep doing that than to move out of my house right now, out of my mom's house right now. So yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't think my mom minds that much because she allows me to continue to live with her. So that's that on that. I'm not gonna talk much about what I'm doing, and I'll list the products below like I always do. Yo, my contour looks terrible, but that's okay. All right, next question. What's your next piercing going to be? I don't really want any more piercings. I guess not on my face. Probably some ear piercings because I love the way ear piercings look. And I really want my industrial piercing back. Alright, I'm gonna do my brows right quick and then I'll be back. My eyebrows look very harsh, but there's nothing I can do about that now. They're already done. So, oh my god, I look terrible. Moving on. Okay, so someone said, do you game at all? And if so, what games do you like to play? The only game I play is Superstar BTS. So I guess I do game. What are your Holy Grail products? Okay, Holy Grail products, definitely Fenty. Fenty Beauty Foundation. Pro Filter, pretty good. Definitely Milk Hydro Grip Primer, pretty good. What else? I honestly don't have that many Holy Grails because I look crusty in almost all makeup. I don't really know what else. I guess that's it. Oh, I guess Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade because I always use that. The CosRX cushion is pretty good too. I think I'm gonna start using that again because it's a pretty good color. Oh my god, y'all, I'm just like ruining my whole face, but it's calm. Just blend, bro, just blend. What's your favorite blush and highlight? Show us in the Q&A, please. I always use the Too Faced blushes. this I use in every video. If I had to choose a favorite color, it'd probably be Love Hangover. I think I use that one the most. Oh my god, it looks so scary, but that's the vibes I'm going for. What else? I look dead, but kind of cute. Alright. Next question is favorite food and drink. My favorite drink has to be water. Favorite food, bro, I love pasta. I love pizza. I love Korean food is so good. Mexican food is so good. I don't really eat it that often because most of the time I'm not in the mood for beans and I don't eat meat anymore. But yeah, I love those. Those are probably my favorite. Like Mexican, Italian, and Korean food is probably like my favorite food, and like bread, any bread. Favorite movie or show? Favorite show, probably like Adventure Time or like Bob's Burgers. I watch those like every day. Like I'm not even exaggerating. I love America's Next Top Model too. Y'all, I hate eyeliner. Every time I do my eyeliner, I mess my makeup up. Let me just stop and I'll continue once my eyeliner is complete. Alright, my eyeliner is done. It's probably very uneven, but it's calm. Alright, oh my god, someone told me that they changed my favorite Kiss lashes, the ones I always use, Kiss Pompadour. I have yet to go to the store and check, but if they're different, I will be highly upset. Oh my god, y'all, I bought this Real Technique sponge before I left to Chicago, and I went to use it when I was doing my freaking makeup for the concert. And when I went to blend out my contour, my whole freaking foundation came off. I was so mad. So like, I'm gonna just stick to my raggedy ass beauty blender. I need to get a new one because I have nail marks all in it. But them was like $20 and I don't have that right now. Where's my mascara? Oh my god. That is just straight. Mascara. Oh my fucking god. Alright, do you go to Starbucks or drink coffee? If so, what do you normally get? I go to Starbucks sometimes. Usually I don't get coffee that much, but I really like the cloud macchiatos with soy milk. Those are bomb. But I usually like don't get coffee. I'll usually get like a iced matcha latte with soy milk and some extra matcha, or like I'll get a pink drink or like a refresher of some sort. I really have cut down on my Starbucks intake though, because after that stunt they pulled talking about they won't be playing Michael Jackson's music in their stores. I wasn't here for that, so I protested them for a little while. But I had some Starbucks today. But I'm running out of money, so we're going back on strike. Alright. Lips. Lips. Alright. Do you like Blackpink? I don't dislike them, but I don't really pay attention to them. Girl groups really not my thing, but Playing with Fire is a bop. I hated Kill This Love at first, but now I only hate Lisa's verse because she to me sounds exactly like Iggy Azalea, and it's It's irritating. I don't dislike them, but I don't really care for them. Alright, so my makeup's pretty much done. I'm just gonna apply my eyelashes and then I'll come back and answer like the rest of these questions. Alright, my eyelashes are on. Let me do my little marks. I think I only have like a couple questions left anyway, so literally just one. Will we get more makeup looks from me, Queen? Also, of all the wig brands you've used, what's your favorite affordable brand? Well, like, okay, affordable is different from everyone. Most of the wigs that I get are sent to me, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I don't usually pay for them. But when I used to buy wigs, my favorite brand was definitely RPG Show, or my first wig, which is like basically the same company. But yeah, those were my favorites. Oh my god, Tony, you scared me. Oh my god, get away, go away, you scared me. You made me sweaty. All right, Twin literally was outside my window in a black hoodie and she scared me. I thought someone was watching me like dead ass in our backyard. So anyways, let me do a couple more videos, more questions from my Instagram. Someone asked, I probably answered some of these a long time ago. Someone said, can you speak Spanish? No, I cannot. I can only understand like basic stuff. My first tattoo, I'm not going to show it, but it was on my leg and it's like a zombie unicorn. Yeah. Let me see. Do you listen to other K-pop groups or soloists besides BTS? No. I listen to SHINee. I listen to some people, but like, yeah, I don't really care about them. Are you gonna vlog during your trips? I tried vlogging, but it didn't work out. I only made like one video of me at the airport, but yeah. Are you and Twin the youngest out of all your siblings? Yes, we are. Are you traveling for fun or for any concerts? Both. Can you and Twin do some more vids together, please? Like challenge vids like y'all did way back. I don't know. We don't really have like a space to film. Like we just film in our rooms and our rooms are really small. So, and my stuff is what we used to film. So yeah, we don't really have any other chairs to sit in. Most overrated K-pop group. Some of y'all about to be really mad at me, but it must be said. What? Let me stop. I'm not gonna put that in. Oh my god, one of my mutuals on like Instagram and stuff, oh my god, you're gonna hate me so much probably, but I really don't. I think this is on purpose. I don't think you say your name, but her @ is 3 million. Y'all probably know who she is, but she said, when do we get to meet? Please, if you are comfortable, please let me know your real name, because I feel so dumb when I be like talking about you and I'm like 3 million. I'm like, what is her name? But yeah. Yeah, I want to be doing some traveling, so let me know where you are located and I will literally come to you so we can meet. All right, last one. Would you move to Cali? I would not move to LA. All right, so yeah, that's all the questions I'm going to answer. Sorry if the video was not that interesting. I'm just trying to, you know, like break up the content because I really haven't had time to film anything else. Like all my videos that I have like uploaded and like ready to post right now are hair reviews that I had to catch up on. So yeah, I'm trying to post this one and have it up for y'all to break up some of that. Yeah, I'm just trying to finish, like catch up on stuff. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I'll leave all the products that I use down in the description bar as I always do. And yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram and Tumblr and stuff, it'll be down below as well. I guess that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good day or night wherever you are.